Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southeastern Calvert County in southern Maryland, south central Charles County in southern Maryland, until 9:15 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wicomico River to near Tappahannock, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Leonardtown, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Indigo's Creek, Coupled Creek, St. Mary's City, St. George Island, St. Clements Bay, Town Creek, Wicomico River, St. Mary's River, White Point Beach, California, Lusby, Pawtuxet River Naval Air Station, Hollywood, Drum Point and Cobb Island. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, southern Kent County in central Delaware, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, southwestern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, until 9 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Michael's to near Big Stone Beach, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dover, Easton, Georgetown, Centerville, Talbot, Milford, Seaford, Denton, Centerville, Millsboro, Laurel, Harrington, Camden, Lewes, Federalsburg, Milton, Bridgeville, Greensboro, Oakland, and Ridgely. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.